Assalamualaikum to Madam. My name is Nur Iwanina Soha binti Maria. My group member is Lim Chiang Fen and Nur Izzah Syafiqah binti Muhammad Junaidi. I will present the requirement list session. The requirement list is divided into two, which is functional requirement and non-functional requirement. Firstly, functional requirement is sign up the account. Customer or staff will enter personal details. The system will send an error message if the user entered the wrong detail. Customer or staff will submit all the details upon completion. The system will send an error message if the account has been registered. The system should send a confirmation code via the phone number. Customer and staff will enter the verification code in the system. Customer and staff can request to resend the code and wait a few seconds. The system will send a successful message if the code is verified. Next, list requirement for logging the account. Customer and staff will choose the identity. If customer, you should click customer, and if staff, you should click staff. Customer and staff will enter the email and password. Customer and staff will enter the login the account. The system should display the main page of the travel agency. The system will enter the profile page to see every detail of the customer and staff. If customer forget the password, customer can choose forget password. Customer can enter a phone number. The system will respond the code via the customer's valid phone number or email. The customer will re-enter the new verification code into the system. The system will re-edit the new email and password. The system will prompt a successful message if the user email and password are edited. Re-edit personal detail. The customer will re-edit the personal detail entered in the profile. The customer will submit the details. The customer will edit the booking details if there is an error. Customer can edit the booking dates before making a payment. The system will send a message via email if the edited system has been successfully edited. Customer will re-edit all the details that have been edited before making full payment. The system should display the total payment in the user profile. Next, functional requirement for Explore Page service. Customer will select the hotel they want to book. Customer can select the flight and ferries they want to book. Customer can search car rental, foods, and activities in the system. The system must provide accurate detail about the service. The system must provide accurate price details. The customer must search for the desired service and transportation. Customer must press the Add Booking button to make a reservation. Another functional requirement is Booking Page service. Customer should search for hotel, transportation, and other service on the search page. Customer must click on the booking page to make a reservation. The booking page system will display the booking need. Customer will review the booking. Customer can add a reservation if customer want. Customer must select an appropriate date for booking. The system will display all the booking details. Customer must submit a reservation if done. Customer will make a payment once the order is received by the system. The system will send an error message, booking if not received. The system will send a success message if the booking is successful.
Thank you, Iwani. I will talk about update for the service detail. Staff should search for hotel, transportation, and other service on the search page. Staff must click on the booking page to make an update. Staff can always update the hotel or other service all the time. Staff can update the price or the latest thing on every service. The system will display for the service detail. Next, rate and comment on this system. Customer will press the like button if the service provided is satisfactory. Customer will comment on whether the system is good or not. If the system has many shortcomings, then the system will be updated in a new version. Customer can choose not to comment and rate the system. It is up to the user. Customer can redelete likes that have been clicked. Thank you. Then I will pass to next presenter.
My name is Nur Izzah Syafiqah binti Muhammad Junaidi. My metric number is 277203. Now I will continue with non-functional requirement, reliability issues. For a single user, the system should crash no more than twice every 10 hours. If the system crashes, it should behave normally when logging back in. The system will automatically send a verification code to the user's phone number within 30 seconds. The system should be able to reload user bookings, and lastly, the system will display the booking details of each service and transportations made by the user automatically into the system. Next, we move on to usability issues. Users should be able to register an account using only one valid email. Emails of registered users can no longer be registered. Users should be able to register an account within 5 seconds. Users should be able to log in to the account within 5 seconds. Now, we will move to use case diagram. Here, there are 7 use case, which are sign up the account, log in the account, re-edit personal details, explore page service, booking page service, update for the service details, and lastly rate and comment. And also there are 2 types of users, which are customer and staff. Now we move to use case specification, and I choose to explain more about login the account. Brief description. This use case is about the process of staff and customers log into the system to enable them to use other functions in this system later. Preconditions. Staff and customers must have registered to the application system. Characteristic of activation. Double-click on the login menu. Now, flow of the events. Basic flow. This usage case starts when the staff or customers selects the login button. Firstly, customer and staff will choose the identity, either staff or customer. Staff or customers will enter the email and password. Next, staff and customer will enter to log in the account. The system should display the main page of the travel agency. The system also will enter the profile page to see every detail of the customer and staff. Alternative flow. Forget password. If customer has forgot their password, can choose forget password at the login page. After click forget password, customer can enter a phone number at the space has been provided. The system will resend the code via the customer's valid phone number or email. The customer will fill the new verification code for message or email into the system. Once finished, fill the code, customer will re-edit the new email and password. The system will prompt a successful message if the user's email and password has been edited. Exceptional flow, not applicable. Post conditions. Staff and customers can use all the functions in this system for members. Rules not applicable. And lastly, constraint. Only 3 attempts for login. If wrong password, the account will be locked. That's all from me. Now I will pass for the next presenter.
Hi and good day everyone. My name is Lim Shen Fen and my number metric is 276937. I want to talk about activity diagram. I take BTS02 log in the account as an example. Okay, let us start from the top. Now we can see that the Start button in the top. User will open into the system. Then user will click on Login button. The system will display the login page. Then the user will key in the username and password. After that, system will verify the username and password. If the username and password is invalid, system will display a wrong password and wrong username as message. Then user will request to re-enter username and password and type of user. Else, system will send a PIN to email to verify the username and password. Then user will request to confirm the PIN in email. Then just log into the system. After that, if the username and password and type of user are valid, the system will display the home page. Thank you.